Hello, welcome back, guys. This is Kevin the trader, and today I'm just testing a bot here. And if you're new to this channel, please smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Today I'm just testing a bot that I made today, that I've developed today, and I'm just seeing the potential of this bot, so that if it's good and if it works for me, then I'll give it to you for free. So the amount that I've set here is $50. Okay, is the expected profit. So I'm just going to see if I can develop a small account with this bot. So I can see I've set here as the staking amount at $11 and expected profit at $50, and the maximum accepted loss to 500. And I'm just trying to develop this bot to see whether it can lose more than once. Okay, that's what I've been testing here, but so far I've seen that it only loses once and maybe twice, if I'm not wrong. But I'm just going to test it on this account, on a virtual account first. So wherever you test any bot, test it on a virtual account before you go to to your real account. So you test it on a virtual account first. As you can see, me here, I'm testing it on my virtual account first. As you can see, whenever the bot loses, it buys on a multiply by 10 martingale. So the martingale here is multiplied by 10, so that to recover the $11 that we've lost here. So as you can see, we have recovered it here, and we also have like something on top. So this bot, as you can see, with the 29 runs, we only have one loss. Okay, so with 30 runs, we only have one loss. So we're just going to test it to see whether it gets more than one loss, and if it gets more than one loss, then we can just develop it further so that it can only lose once, and whenever it's ready, then I'll give it to you for free. So because you are my subscribers, I'm going to give you this bot for free. So what you do is you smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so that whenever we upload any videos like this, you will be the first one to know. So, and when I give it for free, because I'm still testing it out, and I'll just give it here on this channel. So make sure that you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Also like the video, comment, share with your friends so that they don't miss too. So as you can see, with 33 wins and 1 loss, we have at $35 with profit, $1 profit per each trade. Okay, and within 35 trades, 36 trades, only have one loss as the 36th one. So let's just check how the bot will go. So the only problem with this bot is it has a low payout, which is 10% of the stake, and there are bots that are making 90%, over 95% per stake, and you see those bots also loses a lot. But with this bot, you can You can stake high, because you can see you can stake high, and after staking high you can get the benefits out of it. So I'm just still developing this bot, and if it's ready I'll just give it to you in the description of this video. But as per now, I still under test. So our target profit is $50, and we set our maximum accepted loss as 500, which it can't lose more than that, by the way. And we are trading at the trade type that we have chosen here is matches and differs, but the contract type is the differs, and the default candle is 1 minute. So with 43 runs, only one is a loss. So we have we're getting 43 out of 44 runs. And this way you can develop a small amount, a small account to a big account. As you can see here, if you have 110, like $121 in your account, then you can really run this bot. As you can see, we can't lose more than once, guys. Can't lose more than once. Okay, we are nearing our 50 expected profit of $50. We only need 2 runs. Now we only need 1 run to get into our profit. Boom. As you can see here, done. Our total profit is $50.99. So this bot only lost twice. This bot only lost twice. Okay. It only lost twice in a row. Only twice on this trade. And it can't lose twice in a row like this. Yeah, it's just continuing to trade, but I had set it to have an expected profit of $50. So if you haven't subscribed yet, smash the subscribe button so that when I'm done with this bot, I'll just give it to you for free. So make sure that you like, share, and comment on this video. See you in the next video.